The Samsung Galaxy A17 5G is a concrete example of how modern smartphone technology can be packaged in a user-friendly and accessible device. As one of the newest members of Samsung's established Galaxy A series, this model goes beyond everyday use, offering a comprehensive feature set that caters to both work and entertainment needs. The most striking aspect of the device is undoubtedly its expansive 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display. Supported by a 90 Hz refresh rate, this screen delivers vibrant colors and smooth animations, creating an immersive experience for activities like watching videos, playing games, or scrolling through social media. Thanks to its full HD+ resolution, details appear sharp and clear, which is a significant advantage, especially for multimedia consumers. In terms of performance, the Galaxy A17 5G is equipped with a powerful octa-core processor running at 2.4 GHz. This processor boosts the device's overall performance, allowing it to handle multitasking seamlessly, play HD streams smoothly, and run modern mobile games with ease. The support for 5G connectivity is a future-proof investment, offering users ultra-fast download, upload, and streaming capabilities. This makes the internet experience much faster and more uninterrupted. The camera capabilities of the device are also quite impressive. The triple camera system on the back consists of a 50MP main sensor, a 5MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro lens. This configuration allows users to adapt to different shooting scenarios. It's possible to capture every moment, from vast landscapes to close-up details. The 50MP main camera takes high-resolution and detail-rich photos, especially in good lighting conditions, while the optical image stabilization feature makes it possible to get clear videos and brighter night shots, even during motion. On the front, there is a 13MP selfie camera. From a design perspective, the Galaxy A17 5G has a sleek and modern look. The refreshed Key Island 2.0 design and its slim 7.5mm frame give the device an elegant aesthetic, while its ergonomic build provides a comfortable grip. With color options like gray, black, and blue, it's possible to choose a style that suits one's personal taste. The longevity of the device is another notable point. Its large 5,000 mAh battery offers all-day usage on a single charge. Thanks to 25W fast charging support, the device is quickly ready for use again. Samsung's promise of up to 6 generations of OS updates and 6 years of security support ensures that the Galaxy A17 5G remains current in terms of software for a long time. Additionally, the dedicated Gemini hardware button on the device provides instant access to AI-powered features, further enriching the user experience. All these features make the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G an attractive option for anyone looking for a smartphone that is both budget-friendly and high-performing.